screw base.
Sorry?
That is the link, the screw base after that. Because there also the issues for the control are interconnected.
So you have a screw for PNID?
Yeah.
Where?
This is the one.
This is this one.
This one.
Both the point.
Okay, you want to combine this one?
Yeah, we combine this PNID with that.
Okay, so you want to say that 4 and 5 can become 1.
Yeah.
No. And we have lower plus.
Yeah, you can combine.
Where are the screw bases written? Nothing, right?
Not solution here, not number 4. So here.
Screw base.
Yeah. So I think this is
That
correct.
combine this is number 4.
Yeah.
But no need. What I'm saying that even if you don't combine, we are not going to miss anything.
Oh.
So where is it? Where is the PNID?
This two.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
This is node number 6. Node number 6. If you want to combine here, I can combine. Okay. So from where the material is coming?
The sludge holding tank and the sludge bomb.
Go down.
It is coming from here.
Here coming.
Yes.
Keep it separate. Polymer dosing and this one.
Polymer dosing and screw press is one sheet.
One sheet.
One.
No problem. We can combine here.
Yeah, you can combine all, even with the polymer.
Let me know final decision. You want to combine here or in polymer?
Polymer is here only. Polymer is here only. Up.
Engineer work. Because this is integrated with the sludge bomb and the sludge holding tank. So all to be together.
Okay, Imran, don't worry. What I'm trying to understand, I will combine node 4 and 5 together. Don't worry. So this is action for me. I have to change the node color.
Here. Lower here.
And here is coming here, right?